Antyodaya Divas, September 25. World's first digital tribal university, Adi Samskriti. The director of the film The Wizard of the Kremlin, which is based on the life story of Russian President Vladimir Putin. Olivier Assayas, Indian origin, who was named Time Magazine's Kid of the Year 2025. Tejasvi Manoj, Indian player who scored the fastest century in ODI international cricket. Smriti Mandhana,